Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled C/CD for Machine Learning. Automating your AI pipeline from code to production. Imagine you're trying to bake a delicious AI cake for your users. If you keep changing ingredients, ovens, and baking times randomly, how do you get a consistent, perfect cake every time? C/CD. Continuous integration, continuous delivery, is like having a perfect recipe, a well-oiled kitchen process, and an automated baker. For developers building AI applications, it's about making sure your AI cakes are always top-notch, delivered smoothly, and updated reliably to users, without manual headaches. Think of continuous integration, C, as your team's daily huddle and quality check for code. As developers, we constantly write new code for our AI projects, instead of waiting until the very end to see if everything works together. C automatically combines, integrates, our new code with everyone else's, multiple times a day. It then runs automated tests to catch errors early. It's like having a dedicated tester constantly checking if new ingredients from different chefs spoil the entire batch, ensuring high quality from the start. Once your AI code passes all the C quality checks, continuous delivery, CD, steps in. This means your AI application is always in a state where it could be released to your users at any moment. It's automatically packaged, thoroughly tested, and waiting for the final go signal. Continuous deployment takes it a step further, automatically pushing the changes live to users without human intervention. Think of it as having your delicious AI cake ready, perfectly frosted, and on the serving tray, just waiting for the party, your users, to start. AI applications aren't just code. They also depend heavily on data and the models that learn from that data. A small change in the training data can completely break your AI's predictions. Or a new model might perform worse than an old one. This makes C/CD even more crucial and complex for machine learning projects. We call this specialized C/CD for MLOps. It's like not just checking the cake recipe, but also ensuring the flour and eggs are always fresh, the oven temperature is perfect, and the final taste is always superior. For machine learning, our C/CD pipeline needs extra special steps. Less than UL greater than less than LE greater than less than B greater than data versioning. Less than B greater than like Git for code. But for your AI's training data, we track changes in data, your recipe's ingredients list, so we can always reproduce results. Less than LE greater than less than LE greater than less than B greater than automated training. Less than B greater than automatically kicking off the AI's learning process when new data or code arrives. So your AI always has the latest knowledge. Less than LE greater than less than LE greater than less than B greater than model evaluation and testing. Less than B greater than automatically testing if the newly trained AI model is actually better and safer than the old one before it goes live. Less than LE greater than less than LE greater than less than B greater than model deployment. Less than B greater than seamlessly replacing the old AI model with the new, improved one in production, often without downtime. Less than LE greater than less than UL greater than. Let's imagine we're building an AI to recognize cat pictures. Here's how C/CD for ML automates the process. Less than OL greater than less than LE greater than a developer writes new code to improve the cat recognition logic. Less than LE greater than less than LE greater than less than B greater than C kicks in. Less than B greater than the new code is automatically tested with existing code. Less than LE greater than less than LE greater than less than B greater than ML specific step. Less than B greater than if the code passes. A new dataset of cat pictures might automatically trigger the AI model to retrain. less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than ml specific step less than b greater than the newly trained model is automatically evaluated to ensure it's better at recognizing cats than the previous one. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than cd kicks in. Less than b greater than if the new model is superior and passes all checks. It's automatically deployed to users, and they instantly benefit from improved cat recognition. Less than li greater than less than ol greater than it's an automated assembly line for your eye. Implementing C/CD for your AI projects gives you incredible superpowers. Less than ol greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than faster updates. Less than b greater than deliver new AI features and improvements much quicker to your users. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than reliability and stability. Less than b greater than reduce errors and ensure your AI is always working as expected, with fewer surprises. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than reproducibility. Less than b greater than know exactly how any AI model was built, trained, and deployed, making debugging easier. Less than li greater than less than li greater than less than b greater than better collaboration. Less than b greater than teams can work together seamlessly, integrating changes without constantly breaking things. Less than li greater than less than ol greater than it transforms AI development from a risky, manual process into a smooth, automated, and predictable assembly line. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.